So in today's video, we are going to be doing a 7-year-old rates my fidgets. So how we do it is he will get this puppet, he will like play with it, and then he will go 1 through 10. Okay, so 1 through 10. Keep it down here. Okay. You can also do 3s, or as many as you want at a time.
I'll do all of them.
What do you rate? 1 through 10.
I'll give it a 5.
Okay. Okay, so 5 for this cloud puppet. Next, how do you rate this flat ball? Keep it down here. We need to...
Okay. It's squishy. Got water in it. Feels soft.
Okay, what do you rate this? 1 through 10.
I would give it a 10.
Wow, okay. So this one's in first place?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one's in first place so far. Okay, how do you rate this cactus puppet?
Like,
And it has mini cactuses on it too.
I see that. I like it.
Yeah? What do you rate this fidget? Or cactus puppet?
I'll give it a 10.
Okay guys, 10 out of 10. So this one in first or second?
I'll give that first.
Okay. So this is the line. This one's first, this one's second, and this one's third so far. Okay. Next one is this bow poppet. This is the bad side. One sec. Let's get on the good side, guys. It actually pops really good on the bad side also. Okay. So we're going to get to the good side. Okay. Now, what do you rate this? 1 through 10. Not by look, just how it feels. For little fingers, that's really good.
Yeah.
Okay, so sorry about background music also, guys, because there's people in the background. But, yeah? What?
I would give this probably like a... I would give this like a 3.
Okay, this one's a 3, so this one's in last. Okay, next one is this rainbow puppet. This one's the bad side. Wait, one sec. Before you keep popping. No, wait, stop popping for a sec, okay? So we are going... So this is the bad side. Okay, now you can feel the amazing good side. 1 through 10.
Wait, let me pop all these. Okay, I will give it a 6.
Okay, so this one is in third?
Yeah.
Okay, because this poppet was 4, right?
Yeah, that's 5.
No, that was 5. That one's 5, and then that one is
6.
You gave that one a 2? Is that what you gave? I think that's...
No, that was a 5.
No, you gave the cloud a 5, and then you gave this one a 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I give that one a 6.
Yeah, and then that one, yeah, we already know. Okay, next, what do you rate this flower? This one's the bad side. This is the bad side. Okay. And this is the good side.
Okay.
And that's the last one, by the way.
Back up. I will give this a 7.
Okay, 7 out of 10. So this one is... So that one was a... What was this one? Was that... Okay, so this one was a 7. What's this one? An 8?
A 7.
This one was a 7. So does this go in third or fourth? Does that the one in your hand go in third or fourth?
I'd say 4th.
Okay, so that one goes in fourth. Guys, this is the lineup for the best. So this guy, the cactus, is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Did